Lesson 26, talking about daily routine.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually have eggs and toast.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym or watch TV.
When do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
Lesson 27, at the post office.
I'd like to send this package.
Sure, do you want express or regular shipping?
How much does it cost to send this letter?
It's $120 for standard delivery.
How long will it take to arrive?
About 3 to 5 business days.
Can I track the package?
Yes, here is your tracking number.
Lesson 28, talking about travel.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan and Korea.
What's your favorite place you visited?
I loved Paris, especially the food.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or train?
I prefer traveling by train. It's more relaxing.
Where would you like to go next?
I'd love to visit Italy one day.
Lesson 29, talking about work.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy being creative.
How long have you worked there?
For about 3 years.
What's your typical workday like?
I usually have meetings in the morning and not design work in the afternoon.
Lesson 30, at a hotel.
I have a reservation under the name John Smith.
Yes, we have your booking. Here's your room key.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Is Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, it's free for all guests.
Can I get a late checkout?
Sure, we can extend it to 1 p.m.
Lesson 31, ordering at a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken is very popular.
I'll have the pasta.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink?
Can I get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Lesson 32, making a phone call.
Hello, may I speak to John, please?
Speaking. How can I help you?
Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, I'm free now.
I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow.
Sure. What time works best for you?
Can you send me the details by email?
Absolutely, I'll do it now.
Lesson 33, at the grocery store.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in the back near the cold section.
Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, it's on the left side of aisle 2.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Lesson 34, describing daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I usually have toast and coffee.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
Lesson 35, talking about family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 of us. My parents, my sister, and me.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older brother.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
Do you spend time with your family often?
Yes, we have dinner together every night.